Jet Series pump are pressure booster pumps capable of generating sufficient water pressure to spray water to surrounding areas or elevated locations. Stainless steel material is optional for different environment. It has fluid compatibility, which is suitable for clean water and non-corrosive liquids compatible with pump materials. It has self-priming performance. Jet pump design maintains pumping capability even with air in trained water. For recommended applications, one is the domestic water distribution systems, paired with small, medium pressure sets, and the other one is garden and agricultural irrigation. For installation requirements, it must be installed indoors or in weather-protected locations.